Have you heard of a job called forward deployed engineer? Sounds like something from the Army, no? But actually, it might be one of the most human jobs in tech today. Let me not give you a boring definition. Let me tell you a story instead. It's the year 2015. There's a company called Palantir, and they have a problem, but nobody wants to say it out loud. Their engineers are very smart. Their code is very clean. But the customers? They don't care about clean code. They just want their work to get done, like updating a simple spreadsheet, which is taking 6 hours. So the company tries something new. They send one engineer, Maya, not to give a manual and leave, but to actually sit with the customer, in their mess, for as long as it takes. Maya thinks it's just a 1-week trip, but something else happens. She watches a dispatcher, Raj, struggle with the same broken tool, 3rd day in a row. And on day 4, she doesn't just report the problem. She sits right there and fixes it, on his own computer, watching how he works. That one moment, going and sitting where the real problem is, that is where this job was born. Now let's come to today. This idea did not stay in one company. It spread into AI companies, banking, healthcare, defense, everywhere. Let's meet someone doing this job right now. Meet Arjun. He works as a forward-deployed engineer at an AI company. He is not fully an engineer. He is not fully a customer support person. He's something in between, a role the industry is still trying to understand. See his week. Monday, he is watching the client's team struggle with a tool. He is not doing a PowerPoint. He is writing code. Wednesday, back at office, he is arguing that something the roadmap calls not important is actually breaking things for 3 big clients. Friday, he delivers something custom-built, something that may never be used anywhere else, just for this one client. Now here's the interesting part. Arjun's real job is not the coding. His real job is trust. The client doesn't easily believe another vendor's big promises, so he earns their trust by delivering something real by Thursday, not by next quarter. You can say he is like the nervous system, connecting the company's brain to its hands and feet out in the real world. Now let's go somewhere that hasn't happened yet. The year is 2029. Meet Priya. By now, the tools have changed a lot. AI agents can build a full integration in minutes. Clients don't just want software anymore. They want results. Fast. In days, not months. Priya is not typing every line of code herself anymore. She is directing a small team of AI agents, live in front of the client, building the solution together, right there in the room. And here is a twist nobody expected. The same AI that could have replaced her job actually made her more important. Because when anyone can generate code using AI, the real value is in the person who understands the actual problem, who can read the room, who knows which shortcut will break trust 6 months later. That person becomes impossible to replace. Maya, Arjun, Priya. 3 different time periods, but really, they are the same kind of person, just living in a different era. Because this job was never really about writing deployment scripts or fixing pipelines. It was about not letting a wall exist. The wall between the people who build things and the people who suffer when those things are built badly. And in every era, the ending looks the same. It's not a big product launch. It's not a keynote on stage. It's just a dispatcher, a client, someone somewhere whose Tuesday became a little easier because one engineer chose to go forward instead of just waiting for a ticket to come back to their desk. If you're an engineer and you ever felt like your career should mean more than just staring at a screen all day, far from the real problem, this role is worth a look. Subscribe if you want more stories like this, told the way engineering actually feels. No jargon, simple and real. Last but not least, a forward-deployed engineer doesn't wait for the ticket. They go and stand where the problem actually hurts, and they fix it right there.